I'm pleased to present to you Jedi Master Mace Windu, Shakti, and Kit Fisto. With this many Jedi in one place can mean one of only two things. The Jedi Council is in session, or there's a disturbance in the Force. And often at the heart of that disturbance are bounty hunters. Bounty hunters? We don't need their scum. I mean, let's hear for the bounty hunters! I present to you three of the most mysterious and notorious bounty hunters to ever terrorize the galaxy. Aura Singh, Zam Wessel, and the father of all clones, Jango Fett. Are they gone? Good. Hey, speaking of clones, let's bring out some of my personal favorites from the Clone Wars. Where are my Clone Wars fans? I'm pleased to introduce my most trusted allies. Captain Rex, Commander Cody, and Padawan Ahsoka Tano. A picture-perfect moment till our next mission.
Very good, Jim. All right, let's move back.
Ahsoka, I hope we see you again soon. Wait. That unsettling tune can mean only one thing. If you have an affinity for the dark side, then prepare yourselves for Sith Apprentice, Darth Maul. Last time in my presence, he also split. Hey, who's feeling rebellious? Then it's time we focus on those that are rebellious enough to become a new hope for the galaxy, our heroes! Our first two come from opposite sides of the galaxy, but their destiny brought them back together. Please welcome Princess Leia Organa and Luke Skywalker! And in the words of Master Yoda, size matters not. And that's certainly true of those mighty warriors who toppled the towering Imperial forces on the moon of Endor, the Ewoks! But our heroes wouldn't be complete without the mighty Chewbacca! How's it going, Chewie? Oh, what's that? What's that, Chewie? Oh, excellent! Chewbacca says he brought a surprise! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the two that have been there through it all, and frankly, I'm surprised to see they're still in one piece. But here they are! C-3PO! And
I do believe they think I am some sort of god.
Let's hear it for our heroes! Now, as you've experienced, the theme of Star Wars Weekends 2014 is Join the Rebellion. So who here has made the right choice? The wise choice, the noble choice, and join the Rebel Alliance? Where am I?